Hello everyone, this is Uncle Frank with a new video, and today we're going to learn how to draw Knuckles. We're not gonna make the movie version, so this is gonna be simpler. We start with a circle, and Knuckles has more triangular shapes to show how menacing he is. So this is what his body is gonna look like. I draw two cylinders for his legs, and here are his socks. He's got big feet. Also, his hands are huge. And let's not forget his triangular shapes. After all, he's a menacing echidna. Okay, now I divide the upper circle in the middle, and again I just mark where I think his nose is gonna be. His eyes are a little different from Sonic's. Again, more triangular shapes and spikes. On his feet he got this Lego piece, I think, but I'm not gonna go into detail right now. Now I use a thicker marker for the external outline. A finer marker for the internal outline. Man, I've just made a huge mistake with this hair, but life goes on. Now it's time to erase the lines I don't want. And then we have now a clean drawing. Time to color, and I'm gonna use my crayons. And that's it. Our Knuckles is ready. I hope you've had some fun, and I also hope you have learned something nice today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Bye bye.